Hey buddy, welcome to Wizert.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a rectangle whose perimeter is 30 meter and the length of the rectangle has also been provided, which is 9 meter, and we have to find the breadth. So this is the length and this is the breadth. Now perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, because we know that perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. Now the length of the boundary is this side, which is L, this side which is whose measure is B, again this side is also equal to L and this side is again equal to B. So we have 2L and 2B, so that's why this formula absolutely justifies the given diagram. Okay, now L is given as 9 meter, perimeter is given as 30 meter, and we have to find the breadth. So according to the question, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth equals 30 meter. Now divides both sides of the equality by 2. So length plus breadth will be equals 30 upon 2, which is 15 meter. Now length is given as 9 meter, so 9 plus b will be equals 15. B will be equals 15 minus 9, which is equal 6. Therefore breadth is equals 6 meter. Let's check the option. So option B will be the correct answer. Option B is our required correct answer. Thank you.